Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Panasonic RZ-S500W True Wireless Noise Cancelling Earbuds. Now you can pick these up on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on these, $155. Now they come in two colors, black or white. Now this video is sponsored by Panasonic. I know a lot of y'all young cats never heard of them, but if you're an old school dude like me and you had a CD player or a Walkman or a boombox or a car radio, you heard of Panasonic, and you know they always had quality sound. So I'm happy to see them getting into the true wireless earbuds game. Alright, so let's go through all of the features. Engineered to perform. Precision Japanese engineering and a powerful 8mm driver unit provide rich, detailed sound as you seamlessly switch from listening to music, podcasts, or audiobooks to making and receiving calls. Industry-leading noise cancellation. Panasonic True Wireless Earbuds combine feed-forward and feedback noise canceling with analog and digital processing to achieve one of the most advanced noise-canceling true wireless earbuds on the market. Use ambient sound mode to capture external sounds. Reliable connectivity. Stable left-right independent signaling and our patent-pending antenna design provide a reliable, powerful connection that's less sensitive to the interference that causes dropouts and unbalanced sound. Easy touch controls. Dual touch center controls on both earbuds allow you to control music playback, pause, volume, track selection, as well as receive, reject, and calls, manage noise canceling / ambient sound application modes, and connect to voice assistants like Siri, Google, and Amazon Alexa. Excellent call quality. 6 high-performance microphones are built into a unique cabinet structure that can suppress wind noise. This allows your voice to come through loud and clear. Bluetooth connectivity, IPX4 water resistant, compatible with Amazon Alexa. Comfortable and lightweight, includes 5 earpiece sizes, extra small, small, medium, large, and extra large, and a 6-foot charging cable. Now the approximate battery life is 6.5 hours per earbud with an additional 13 hours using the charging case. Now these also feature quick charge. 15 minutes of charge will give you 70 minutes of playback time. Alright, so all of that for $155. Let's see what it is. Alright, so let's make sure I didn't miss anything. Okay, so you got 3 microphones, 8mm drivers, Amazon Alexa built in. Okay, now this is Bluetooth 5.0, and the codecs is SBC and AAC. Now you can also download the Panasonic app on Google or iOS. Customize your settings. Alright, here we go. Let's see what it is. Inside the box. Okay. Now this is going to be your quick start guide. Say it at home. This is going to be a charging cable, USB Type-C. Matter of fact, let's just take a look at it. Why not? USB-A to USB Type-C. Different size ear tips. Let's see. Okay. More quick start guide. Plug it and file it. And this is going to be your charging case and your earbuds. Now, right out of the gate, I like this minimalistic look. Okay, has a soft matte feel on these, no fingerprints, and you got your touch controls on each earbud. Let's see, here's the charging case. Okay, you got 3 LEDs, USB Type-C charging. Alright, so let me set these up. Alright, so I got these all set up. I've been using them for a little while, and honestly, I like these. I like these. Now I'm going to use them for a few more days, and I'll get back to y'all with a full review, but so far so good. Anyway, Panasonic RZ-S500W True Wireless Noise Cancelling Earbuds, $155. Hit me up in the comments, and let me know if there's anything specific y'all want me to cover when I do the full review, which I know how I do. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossie_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes. Picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock won the beam up. Energized.